Today, I'm going to go over 3 ways to organize your life inside the browser. As we rely on a web browser for a lot of our day-to-day activities, checking email, writing documents, booking travel, before you know it, you are scrolling through 50 tabs, wasting your time trying to find where you left off. Not anymore. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to go over is bookmarks. This might seem simple or obvious for some, but this can easily be overlooked as a powerful tool. I'm going to go to a website and let's bookmark it. I'm going to click on the star and it's going to save to other bookmarks. I'm going to edit that and add it to the bookmarks bar, which saves it to the top of the browser, which is hidden. So I'm going to click on the 3 dots and then go to bookmarks and show bookmarks bar. So now we can see our bookmark. But wait a minute, I visit a lot of websites. As you can see, with all of these bookmarks, they're overlapping and I can now not fit them on the main bookmarks bar. So my bookmarks are starting to get hidden. So to create a folder, I'm going to right click on that bookmarks bar and select add folder. And I can name the folder. We'll name this one Google and we'll move all of the Google pages into this folder. And we'll click OK. And so it's hidden because it's now a new bookmark, so I'm going to have to drag that out so then we can see it. So we'll just drag it over and we'll put it at the beginning. So now let's take all the Google bookmarks and we'll slide them into that folder, creating space and being more organized. Drag each one, there we go, last one. And that creates space on the bookmarks bar, and now as we go into the Google folder, now all of our Google pages are in that folder. Great, so now we have all of those bookmarks. So we could go through and open each one at a time, but there's a shortcut. So we can open all of these bookmarks in one time. So we're going to right click on the folder, and you can open them in a new window if you want, but Chrome has a nice feature, open in a new tab group. So if we open them in a tab group, it'll name the group the same as the folder name, and we can select a color. So now they stand out as a group. And if you slide your tabs around, they're separate, but you can click on the tab group name and slide all your tabs together. So this is a great way to keep common tabs open and grouped together. And we could do the same thing in Firefox. Right click, add new folder, name the folder, and then we'll drag the Google Docs over into that folder. And to open all in a new tab, you can either right click and open all bookmarks or click on the folder and select open all in tabs. Okay, so now we have all these tabs open. So what do we do? Well, have no fear, because tab management is what we're going to talk about now. So you can right click on tabs and pin them, and that will send them to the left of the browser, and it will make it so you can't accidentally close them. There's no close button, and they'll open when the browser opens. So it's a nice way to keep the really important tabs open, protected, and organized. This is great, but you're bound to start getting the tab count going up. A quick way to fix this is to right-click on the last tab you want to keep open, and for Chrome, click on Close Tabs to the right. And in Firefox, right-click, then click on Close Multiple Tabs, Close Tabs to the right. And that leaves us with our primary tabs open, whether they are pinned or not. If you're working on a side project or you're researching something, what you can do is you can open a new browser window. So to open a new browser, you click on the 3 dots and then just New Window. And say you're starting a project, opening a bunch of tabs. And once you're done with the project, just close the window, and now you're back to your main window. A nice, easy, and quick cleanup. We covered the 3 areas to really help you get organized when working in a browser, And stop spending so much time scrolling through all the open tabs looking for the one you need. It's more efficient, easy, and takes up less of your computer's resources to bookmark, sort by folders, and keep your tabs to a minimum. Hopefully this video helped you out. Give it a thumbs up if you'll no longer be scrolling through your open tabs trying to find the site you need. Leave a comment down below about any other tips or ideas I missed, since there's a lot of features packed into browsers than what I covered. Until the next one, take care.